Have you ever wondered why that cough just won't go away? Lately, I've seen so many patients with lingering coughs of 2, 3, or even 4 weeks. Sometimes it's a new infection, like cold, COVID, flu, or even pneumonia or bronchitis. But other times, everything comes back negative. If that's you, it could be postnasal drip or just leftover inflammation in your airways. Your airways are still irritated, even if the virus is long gone. And honestly, time is the only cure. So before you panic, just know that the cough is often the tail end of a lot of these infections. But if it lasts over a month or gets worse, definitely check it out.